Let's now study about human body. The human body is a masterpiece of engineering. People sometimes call the human body the most wonderful machine ever built. Like a machine, the body is made up of many systems. Each system of the body does some special job, but all the systems work together to keep the body healthy, active, and working. Although the human body can be compared to a machine, it is far more amazing than any machine. It can do things that no machine can do. For example, the body can grow. It can also repair itself whenever there is some trouble, unlike other machines. Every moment of the day, even while we are asleep, our body systems are busy at work. Our body systems interconnect and function to keep us alive and healthy. Many body parts such as the heart, lungs, and kidneys work continuously. The heart of a 70-year-old person, for example, will have pumped at least 1,740 lakh liters of blood during that person's life. The body needs energy to work. In a machine such as a car, the energy comes from petrol. From where does the body get energy to work? In the body, it comes from the food and oxygen. We all know we eat food to give us energy to grow and work. Is the food we eat directly utilized to provide energy to the body, or is it processed or changed before it is ready to be used by our body? The digestive system converts the food into nutrients so that it can be used by each and every part of the body. It is also responsible for removing solid waste. If we see in detail, the digestive system is all about getting food into our body, digesting the food, absorbing the nutrients we need, and elimination of the materials or the waste we don't need out of the body. So, how does this digested food or absorbed nutrients reach all the parts of the body? The circulatory system circulates or carries the nutrients, that is, digested food, and the oxygen to all the body parts. It also collects waste materials from cells and supplies to excretory system. So we see the digestive system works very closely with the circulatory system to get the absorbed nutrients distributed through your body. Why is breathing necessary for us? Our bodies need oxygen to survive. It is the job of respiratory system to absorb oxygen from atmosphere and supply to circulatory system. It releases carbon dioxide. The respiratory system takes air into the lungs. It puts oxygen into the blood and takes the carbon dioxide out of the blood and exhales it. That is, it releases carbon dioxide. Since we are breathing all the time, the respiratory system is always at work. You breathe in and out from your nose and mouth, while your lungs are the main organs that allow your body to absorb the oxygen you need from the air. The job of the respiratory system is very simple: to bring oxygen into the body and remove the carbon dioxide from the body. There are so many systems in our body. So who controls the functions of the body? The nervous system controls the functions of the body. It ensures the communication between all the body systems. It controls everything we do: to think, to take decisions, to remember, to learn. Voluntary activities like muscle movement. Involuntary activities like breathing, heart pumping. As the body performs the many functions that it needs in order to keep itself alive, it produces wastes. These wastes are chemicals that are toxic and that, if left alone, would seriously hurt or even kill us. Who removes this waste? It's the excretory system. But the digestive system too removes the waste. Then what's the need of the excretory system? While the digestive system collects and removes undigested solids that we eat, the excretory system filters out the wastes from the blood and purifies it. It removes waste products from blood and produces urine. A special filter, an organ known as kidney, removes the waste or urea from the blood and sends it to the bladder for storage in the form of urine. It takes about 45 minutes for your kidneys to completely filter all of the blood in your body. Now coming to the skeletal system. In an adult, the 206 bones that are joined to form the framework called as skeleton. The skeleton system provides shape and support to the body. It protects the delicate internal organs like heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, etc. As we see in many scary or ghost movies, the skeletons move or even run around freely. Could a skeleton really walk by itself? What do you think? The skeletons have the important job of providing our bodies with strength and form. But the task of moving our bodies from one place to another belongs to another part of our bodies known as muscles. Without muscles, we could not move. Our bodies are made up of a variety of very large and very small muscles. From the powerful leg muscles that you use when you jump up and down to the tiny muscles that make your eyes blink. Anytime you move, you are using muscles. Lastly, we come to the reproductive system. As the name suggests, it helps in the production of new organisms and continuation of the race so that the living species do not become extinct. What did we learn? Each system does a specific function, but any system in the body cannot work alone. All of the systems in an organism are interconnected and work in coordination. A simple example is the connection between the circulatory and respiratory systems. As blood circulates through your body, it eventually needs fresh oxygen from the air. When the body reaches the lungs, part of the respiratory system, the blood is reoxygenated. So, all the systems work together to keep the body healthy, active, and working.